Hello everyone, myself Rupali Shigo, an FDP 201 participant RC1029 and team head for OER activity. Along with me, my team members are Shaileja Gaikwad and Varsha Bodal. We have created OER activity in MOODLE. So, first MOODLE account is created by using login name, go to the site www.moodlecloud.com. Go to the login. Here is a username RSV1029-003 and the password is RSV1029. Now, so the site address is this rsv1029-003.moodlecloud.com. Click on this. A new user can access the course by self-enrollment by creating an account. Once you enter the course, you can view the available course, and the course is Principles of Communication Engineering. After clicking this, we can view the contents such as resource video on amplitude modulation part 1. Here the basics of communication, modulation, need of modulation and type of modulations, that video is created with this resource. The another part is amplitude modulation part 2. Again the another video related to the same topic. These videos is created in Screencast software. The learner has to listen both the video. The videos are licensed by CC and is available publicly on YouTube. Once you have finished this video, you can attempt the quiz, which contains multiple choice questions. So now we'll go to the quiz. Yes, the quiz, here it is. Now you attempt the quiz with the multiple choice questions. There are 10 questions. Attempt this quiz. After quiz, you go to the discussion forum where 2 questions are given. The questions amplitude modulation discussion topic, and that 2 questions is given discussion how AM envelopes is formed in amplitude modulation, and discuss how the power is conserved in amplitude modulations. And the reference User can refer this PPT also to see the contents related to the AM modulation. A feedback survey is given to evaluate the course from learner perspectives. You can find the PPTs of the course. Thus, this is how we have created OER in Moodle. Thank you.